Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to go live on Coverstar. First, open the App Store on iOS or Google Play Store on Android. Then update Coverstar to the latest version and log into your account. Make sure your app is up to date because live features may not appear on older versions. Next, before going live, ensure your account follows community guidelines, meets the minimum age requirement, and is in good standing. Some accounts may require approval before the live feature is available. Now open the app and tap the plus or create button, then select live if it is available. If you do not see live, the feature may not yet be enabled for your account. After that, add a catchy title for your live session, check your lighting and internet connection, and choose any filters or settings you want. Good lighting and a stable Wi-Fi connection make a big difference for a smooth broadcast. Finally, tap Go Live and start interacting with viewers. Respond to the comments in real time, keep your content friendly, and always follow the platform rules while live. That's it, thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.